What's ThriftyAV all about? Roll that montage reel. Here's the unit right on top. Here's the remote, sofa baton, universal remote. I'm gonna unbox these speakers. There are peaks and valleys in here. This ASRock B450M Pro 4, Behringer ECM 8000, Mackie CR1604. Plug this into phantom power. I know this one will work just fine. I have a rather large skull, so now pop out the potentiometer. Another thrifting road trip and another nice haul. Today I'm thrift shopping Abilene. It's a Sunday in Fort Worth. Today I'm in San Angelo thrift shopping. Today I'm in Wichita Falls. Today I'm thrift shopping Amarillo. Come on. In this box, it looks like we have an old Intellivision. We got a micro cassette player, portable DVD player, Girard turntable. The tag says $40, but I got it half price. This turntable runs slightly fast. I'm gonna play this record. Now insert the record between the two brushes. You need to accessorize. An anti-static carbon fiber brush ionizes the air above the record and use the stylus protractor. It reads 1.17. Data on CDs is read from the inside out. Here into the mastering process, you're probably looking at a vintage CD. These are among the earliest releases from Warner, and I will intentionally damage a disc. 2 dabs of white solution. I use the 1-minute setting. Yes, I'm addicted to cassette decks. Next up is the JVC TDW215. Easy access to the azimuth adjustment, the Nakamichi BX100. You need to clean and demagnetize your heads. A new belt might help things out. And I'm cranking for 10 seconds. Crank it some more here. Remove this dark cloth. Analog multi-channel inputs. The stereo separation of the front left and right channels. And I'm going to go ahead and plug a couple of XLRs in here. So I'm going to mix down the bass, the drums, the guitar. I've never owned a receiver with this many inputs. We'll do a deep dive of features. A professional monitor with HV delay, 287 white pattern combinations, Macrovision copy protection. Which of these will record this content? Put it on a split screen white pattern. That doesn't mean it's not fun. Triple action cam man. Lift up here and then you can lift up the back. I got it from Banggood and it got banged up pretty good. Panasonic OmniMovie VHS HQ camcorder. Sony DCR DVD 300 NTSC. How super is this JVC Super VHS-C camcorder? I currently shoot on a Panasonic HCX 1000 with a few drops of mineral oil for lubrication. It's a Bell & Howell 1620. A mirror inside the box. You can kind of see where it got chewed up here. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.